it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S getting here with another reaction. Today, we're here with Shawn Storm and Ding Dong with The Return. Yes, Shawn Storm and Ding with The Return. Big up Shawn Storm, Siv, and big up Ding. Yeah, with The Return. Let's jump in the one and see what go on. Disclaimer. Let me just say this. I'm going to be pausing a lot. So if it's not for you, find the next channel. If it's not for you, find the next channel. I will be pausing it a lot because I want to be dissecting what you're saying and seeing everything what's going on. We couldn't get a video, Shawn Storm and Ding. What go on? We couldn't get a video, though.
Yo, bro. Fresh from H.
Fresh from where? Fresh from inside, fresh from prison. That's what the G say. Alright? Alright, so let's go. Big up Calfani. Yeah, big up Calfani. Also, big up Bravo. Johnny Bravo, big up yourself. Calfani. Yes, big up yourself, G. Yeah. That melody, where that come from? Eminem. Guess who's back? No, I don't guess who's back. Kids. I think him and 𝐑𝐄𝐂 this thing sing a song like that. But Eminem this foul from big up him. Can I just say, I never see this collab forwarding, but it's here. Let's go.
Guess who's back? Who's back? Back again.
Eminem thing, man.
Shawn Storm's back. Levi's back. Tell a friend.
If you don't know, no. Shawn Storm is back. Guess who is back? Back again. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We tell them friends that Shawn Storm there. Yeah.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Gaza is back in full effect. Yeah. 52 seconds and the song not start yet. Lyrics.
Shawn Storm there again to set the trend. Your wording, hold them to forget me when
Shawn Storm there again to set the trend. Your wording, how them forget me when.
Rough up the road and no beg for friend. Shake off the backbite and the pestilence. Them move, well, leg on me. Boy, when you see me.
Wait, move, leg on me. Shut them off.
The backbite and the pestilence. Them move, well, leg on me. Boy, when you see me in a running, where you dead with pussy.
When you see me, brother, nobody running, dog. Nobody running, pussy. Where you dead with? What you say? No, look, no strength off of my energy, bro. Not do it. That's what the G today right there, so. Only one.
And you switch from where you turn the enemy. No say a Gaza for life till it dead away.
I'm a switch from where you turn the enemy. No say a Gaza for life. All that verse I feel like it aim at somebody, so. Is it aiming at somebody? I'm not calling name. Comment section. Get active. What want to say?
And we have the best grass. If you go Benz, pussy a S-class. Prada shades, weird. Look at no test glass. Fully.
If you figure Benz pussy. Jesus. Come on, man.
No say a Gaza for life till it dead away. If I agree, and we have the best grass.
If I agree that we have the best grass from Kiki from around there, so. From down west, man. You know what I'm with them, man.
If you go Benz, pussy a S-class. Prada.
If you go Benz, pussy a S-class. Yeah, S-class. Not E.
Shades weird, look at no test glass. Fully Gaza, them for know we no tech talk. Guess who's back? Who's back? Back again.
Gaza no tech talk, brother. You see me? Gucci shades the G rear and a test glass.
Shawn Storm's back. Levi's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Are we gonna get a verse from Ding? Or in just run with the chorus? Wagwan.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Did I big up the production team? If I never, I'm sorry. Big up the production team. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Records. Big up. I did big up 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself again. Bad.
Fresh from 13. When we walk, gal melt like ice cream. Face well cool like AC built-in.
This is sound like Ding Dang, you know. This like Ding Dang give you a different vibe on that one. This just sound like Ding one time. This just sound like Ding for me.
Talk tough now your face get dentin. Have gal a line up them one the thing all because I sim crown them crown me king.
Y'all line up them one the thing all because I swing y'all them crown him king. Top.
I be a loyal man, they run the team. Ravers run the scheme straight like laser beam.
I be a loyal G they run me foot. I be a loyal G they on the team. Ravers run the scheme straight like laser beam. No bend to it thing, no shake to it thing. Straight up.
Everything low for the Gaza. No anything or anything father. Lose some years but we'll be back capital.
Lose some years, but guess what? We're back on the road, the day back for the dollar. We lose some years, 13 years to be precise, but we're still there. No thing gonna man. Bruh.
Chip off your fire and sauna. We got Gaza nation from Ghana. Name begin at the Bronx Tax Lava.
Big up Gaza nation from Ghana. Yes, Ghana and the Africans and big up on themselves. Even Kenya them took. I know say Kenya them people them up over there. So you see me, big up Ghana. Big up Gaza nation from Ghana. Gaza name up in the Bronx. Ask Lava. Big up yourself, Lava. Aha!
Clean like whistle, you're refreshing at the Prada. Put more, squeeze it, pa 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 pa. Guess who's back? Who's back?
Put more, squeeze it, pop, 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 pop.
Shawn comes back, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's
Like me said, this don't sound like Ding Dang 1 minute. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If this sound like the original, like the normal Ding Dang what we know about. Ding Dang give you a fresh style for that one.
back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Yo!
Yo, bro. Fresh from H.
Fresh from H. What do you mean? Hell? Fresh from hell? Fresh from H? Or HMP? Her Majesty's prison? Or His Majesty? Yeah, we couldn't get a video still, Ding. Shawn, we couldn't get a video for that one still, dog. Need a video, man. Song bad for true. It's bad, man. I forget them. Gaza fans, what wanna say about that one? Wanna say. When I feel like Calabia, big up yourself, Ding. Big up yourself, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Shawn, big up yourself. Johnny Bravo, big up yourself. Everybody will take part in that one, big up yourself. Big up on yourself. This one I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more from a G, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, G. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Jeez.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip corner.